Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Subscribe.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
وبشر الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات أن لهم جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار كلما رزقوا منها من ثمرة رزقا قالوا هذا الذي رزقنا من قبل وأتوا به متشابها ولهم فيها أزواج مطهرة وهم فيها خالدون.
And give good tidings to those who believe and do righteous deeds, that for them are gardens beneath which rivers flow. Whenever they are given of its fruits, they will say, "This is what was given to us before," and they shall be given its resemblance. And there shall be pure companions for them, and that they shall abide forever in.
إن الذين كذبوا بآياتنا واستكبروا عنها لا تفتح لهم أبواب السماء ولا يدخلون الجنة حتى يلج الجمل في سم الخياط وكذلك نجزي المجرمين.
Those who deny our revelations and scorn them, for them the gates of heaven will not be opened, nor will they enter the garden until the camel passes through the eye of the needle. Thus do we requite the guilty.
إن المتقين في جنات وعيون.
Those who ward off evil are among gardens and fountains.
ادخلوها بسلام آمنين.
And it is said to them, enter them in peace, secure.
ونزعنا ما في صدورهم من غل إخوانا على سرر متقابلين.
And we remove whatever rancor may be in the breasts. They shall recline face to face on couches, as a band of brothers.
لا يمسهم فيها نصب وما هم منها بمخرجين.
Toil shall not touch them there, nor will they ever be removed from there.
إن الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات إنا لا نضيع أجر من أحسن عملا.
For those who believe and do good works, we do not waste the reward of the doers of good. For
أولئك لهم جنات عدن تجري من تحتهم الأنهار يحلون فيها من أساور من ذهب ويلبسون ثيابا خضرا من سندس واستبرق متكئين فيها على الأرائك نعم الثواب وحسنت مرتفقا.
all these, there will be gardens of Eden, where streams will flow below them. They will be adorned therein with bracelets of gold, And they shall wear green robes of finest silken brocade, reclining upon couches. Blessed the reward and excellent the resting place.
كلتا الجنتين آتت أكلها ولم تظلم منه شيئا وفجرنا خلالهما نهرا.
Each of the gardens gave its fruits freely, and there was no stint in its produce, and we caused a stream to spring forth between the two.
ولمن خاف مقام ربه جنتان.
But for him who fears the standing before his Lord are two gardens.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
So, O mankind and jinn, which of the blessings of your Lord will you deny?
ذواتا أفنان.
Gardens with many fruit-laden branches.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
So, zero mankind and jinn, which of the blessings of your Lord will you deny?
فيهما عينان تجريان.
Gardens in which are two fountains flowing.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
So, zero mankind and jinn, which of the blessings of your Lord will you deny?
فيهما من كل فاكهة زوجان.
In which is every kind of fruit in pairs.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
So, O mankind and jinn, which of the blessings of your Lord will you deny?
متكئين على فرش بطائنها من استبرق وجنى الجنتين دان.
Its inhabitants reclining upon couches lined with brocade, the fruit of both gardens near to hand.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
So, O mankind and jinn, which of the blessings of your Lord will you deny?
فيهن قاصرات الطرف لم يطمثهن إنس قبلهم ولا جان.
In it are maidens of modest gaze, whom neither man nor jinn will have touched before them.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
So, zero mankind and jinn, which of the blessings of your Lord will you deny?
كأنهن الياقوت والمرجان.
In beauty like rubies and coral.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
So, zero mankind and jinn, which of the blessings of your Lord will you deny?
هل جزاء الإحسان إلا الإحسان.
Shall the reward of goodness be anything but goodness?
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
So, O mankind and jinn, which of the blessings of your Lord will you deny?
ومن دونهما جنتان.
and lesser than these two gardens there are two other gardens for the generality of believers.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So zero mankind and jinn, which of the blessings of your Lord will you deny?
مدهامتان
Dark green with foliage.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So, O mankind and jinn, which of the blessings of your Lord will you deny?
فيهما عينان نضاختان
Gardens in which there are two fountains of gushing water.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So zero mankind and jinn, which of the blessings of your Lord will you deny?
فيهما فاكهة ونخل ورمان
In them are fruits, date palms and pomegranates.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
Which of the blessings of your Lord will you deny?
فيهن خيرات حسان
In them shall be maidens who are chaste and beautiful.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So, O mankind and jinn, which of the blessings of your Lord will you deny?
حور مقصورات في الخيام
Fair ones, confined in pavilions.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So, O mankind and jinn, which of the blessings of your Lord will you deny?
لم يطمثهن إنس قبلهم ولا جان
Whom neither man nor jinn will have touched before them.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So, O mankind and jinn, which of the blessings of your Lord will you deny?
متكئين على رفرف خضر وعبقري حسان
Reclining on green cushions and fair carpets.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So, O mankind and jinn, which of the blessings of your Lord will you deny?
تبارك اسم ربك ذي الجلال والإكرام
Blessed be the name of your Lord, possessor of majesty and benevolence.
والسابقون السابقون
And those who are the foremost are indeed the foremost.
أولئك المقربون
Those are they who will be brought near to Allah.
في جنات النعيم
In gardens of delight.
ثلة من الأولين
A multitude from the men of old.
وقليل من الآخرين
But only a few from later generations.
على سرر موضونة
on couches wrought with gold,
متكئين عليها متقابلين
reclining on it in face to face.
يطوف عليهم ولدان مخلدون
There shall wait on them immortal youths,
بأكواب وأباريق وكأس من معين
with goblets and ewers and a cup from a pure spring,
لا يصدعون عنها ولا ينزفون
from which they will get no headache nor will they be intoxicated,
وفاكهة مما يتخيرون
and fruit that they shall choose,
ولحم طير مما يشتهون
and such flesh of fowls that they may desire,
وحور عين
and there are fair ones with wide, lovely eyes,
كأمثال اللؤلؤ المكنون
like hidden pearls,
جزاء بما كانوا يعملون
a reward for what they used to do.
لا يسمعون فيها لغوا ولا تأثيما
They hear the no vain or sinful discourse,
إلا قيلا سلاما سلاما
nothing but the saying, peace and again peace.
وأصحاب اليمين ما أصحاب اليمين
And those on the right hand, how happy shall be those on the right hand,
في سدر مخضود
among thornless low tree,
وطلح منضود
and banana trees with its fruit in arranged layers,
وظل ممدود
and widespread shade,
وماء مسكوب
and flowing water,
وفاكهة كثيرة
and fruit in plenty,
لا مقطوعة ولا ممنوعة
always plentiful, never forbidden,
وفرش مرفوعة
and raised couches.
إنا أنشأناهن إنشاء
We have created the spouses, a new creation,
فجعلناهن أبكارا
and made them virgins,
عربا أترابا
loving companions of the same age,
لأصحاب اليمين
for those on the right hand,
ثلة من الأولين
a multitude of the men of old,
وثلة من الآخرين
and a multitude of those of later generations.
إن الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات كانت لهم جنات الفردوس نزلا
Surely those who believe and do good works, for them is a welcome in the gardens of paradise for an entertainment, where they
صدق الله العظيم.